Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Do some trotting. Good. Some stretching. No. Good. There you go. Good boy. You can see the contact is very up and down, which is what I'm struggling with when I ride. So that's why I'm trying to work on some groundwork. Try to get him a little bit more steady on the contact. Keeping him going, trying to keep the pace reasonably rhythmic. Just back and forth, just a little bit too much. Good boy. Good boy, hi. Hi, good boy. Go the other way. Good. Both sides of the horse. Good boy. I think riding's easy after having to work up and down this hill. Just a reminder, keep them going. So you're starting to gas out on me. Ooh. Walk, 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 walk. Good boy. Good boy. Ooh, something startled you, huh? Walk. Walk. Good boy. Good boy. You all done, buddy?